Do you hear all the dogs? Are you being a good boy? Are you being sniffy? Yeah. You smell so handsome. Hey y'all. We're here at the vet. This is Aloe's first vet checkup since we have been teamed together. We're just waiting on the vet to come in. He just got groomed, so he smells like a handsome boy. He even got this little Valentine's heart bandana. I mean, it looks kind of girly, but he's still handsome. Ain't that right? He's a big whopping 72 pounds, which I think is a good weight. I think that's what he was when I got him. So he's maintaining his weight so far. But we just wanted to pop in and say hi. Hello. Say hi. Get you.